Welcome friends. So as part of this learning, we are going to see number of CI/CD services offered by AWS, and those are AWS Code Commit, AWS Code Build, Code Deploy, and Code Pipeline. I'm showing you on the screen from AWS documentation itself how AWS Code Pipeline works. So if you see, there are number of components here like source, build, test, then staging, production. So we are going to see almost all of these stages. So first is source, which is a code commit repository, and we are going to see integration of Git with code commit. Then there is a service like called code build, which is to test your code, compile your code, and making sure that code is ready for deployment. So as part of code build, we are going to test our code as well. And then we are going to use code deploy to deploy it on EC2 instance. And as part of code pipeline, we are going to combine all these services and see how any changes to our code commit repository, it triggers code pipeline workflow. So at the end, we are going to see code pipeline and how any changes to code commit will trigger it automatically. So with this, right, our deployment or delivery becomes really fast and completely automated. So we are going to see that end to end. Yeah, so even we are going to add approval stage where code has to be approved before it is good for deployment. So the approval stage becomes important for production deployments. So hope you will enjoy this series of tutorials and learn something new. So let's begin. Thank you.